Hi, Tony's here. In this video, I will explain how to use the Overview tab, or what you're actually looking at in the Overview tab. Why these graphs are important? These graphs are important to see the maximum levels of long and short volumes. However, there is not maximum levels that you can assign as a maximum level. But looking at the historical data gives you a clue where the retail traders might start offloading their longs and then switching over to shorts and vice versa. So currently we are looking at Euro USD. If you look at Euro USD over the past, I believe this is 3 months data, where on 31st of August, that's actually like 28th to 31st of August, retail traders went crazily long and then hit almost 40,000 loads within that 2-3 days. That's a level which has not been recorded previously in the database, obviously. But that's something which raise eyebrows, where you have to look at it and pay attention to these spikes of the volumes, and that's where you see the volatility comes in the market when sometimes it happens. Not sure why this happened exactly, because I haven't went back on the charts, but these level spikes usually happen during high impacted news, where retail traders are going against the economical indicator data. Overall, this gives you a really good um, insight about the volumes, how they play their long and short volumes. Also, when you're looking at the oops, I was changing the sorry, CROs again. Pay attention to these price levels, long entry and short entry. These are playing as a key level of support and resistance sometimes. Pay attention to those and then compares the uh, the long and short volumes at those levels, um, and look at for price actions around those levels. I do not suggest trading against around these levels, because that's where the market volatility increases, and then price make crazy moves around 100 pips, which is not wise to trade in. Also, this one tells you where the price is at, either is away from um, the long entry or away from the short entry. These gives you a clue. So if you want to trade, if you want to buy Euro USD, so you have 44 pips um, away from the long entry. So you can, I mean, I would not be putting my take profit if I trade Euro USD. I would not be putting, I would not be expecting 100 pips on that specific trade. Same goes for short entry, where you can, oh, sorry, not same, goes all the way around, goes for short entry, where you can expect up to 500 pips if you are trading long terms. The rest are basically the long and short volumes, where I will be explaining those more details in the next videos. The overview is very basic tabs, where actually you can scroll and get a quick insight about the whole market, the whole available instrument in the software. That's all about this tab, the overview tab. Pay attention to these numbers here and focus on the high levels of long and short volumes. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.